So this is the other backing that we have for the HD aluminum pieces. What we end up doing is taking and putting a 1/2-inch gator foam on the back, and on the back of that we put a die bond piece. Actually, it's a polynudo, so that's kind of what this looks like. So the other hanging attachment is this, and this is what the front looks like of this particular piece. And so this is for Art Z. I guess he is a photographer in Laguna Beach, and so he exhibits at the Soda Festival. So that's what this particular piece looks like. And then we have another one. So that's an HD white gloss aluminum, and then we have that piece that's right here. So that's what that one looks like. And you get an idea. And so that's how this one looks. So if you have any HD aluminum prints that you want done, give me a call. My name is Joe Hill from PROLAB. 310-846-4496.